Hey guys, this is Fernando the Vintage Collector 2000 here, and today I'm going to show you something I just got. Okay, this is a 3-inch mini tabletop tornado globe. Now this is the Donna the Dead spider one. This I got at Goodwill for like $4.99. It was $4.99 brand new in the box. It was worth it. So, as far as I remember, I did see a video of this one, but at first it said 1990s or 2000s. At first it got me skeptical because I thought snow globes or tornado globes were made later in the late 2000s. So, yeah, I got it brand new in the box. Anyways, it says 3 mini tabletop tornado. Try me. Blowing wind as the confetti swirls around. Says in the same thing too. Try me. Great tabletop decorations. Trick or treat saying. It says the same thing on the side. 2 AAA batteries included. Required included. It says Happy Halloween. I'll take it out of the box after this. After the first activation, and here are the instructions. You can pause the video if you want to read them. You can just pause the video if you can't read it. You can pause, like I said. It says 2007 Gemmy Industries, Flower Mount, Texas. It was originally $7.99, but I have no idea where it was sold at. But yeah. Anyways, enough me talking, so let's just get to it. Well, I'm going to take it out of the box because this one's batteries to me look like they're low, so because the bats keep going over there every time. So let's just get this thing out of the box. So here we go. Okay, I got it out of the box and it's the same thing. But I tried to replace the batteries, but it's the same thing. It's always going to get stuck. So I'm just going to leave the batteries like the way they were before. Anyways, here it is out of the box. Yep, here's the back. Anyways, it says Happy Halloween. Well, there you have it, and yeah, I hope you enjoy, and yep, goodbye.